Hi, this is Paul. So this is the Rolls-Royce Ghost, and I'm going to go over it with this paint depth gauge. So this is a micrometer. It measures the distance between that sensor at the bottom and the metal, which gives us a reading of how thick the paintwork is. Now, of course, with the Rolls-Royce, because of the finish, the totally flat finish on the paintwork, there's an element of variation from polishing, but to be fair, there is on any car. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare side to side, and let's have a look. So front wing, top of front wing, shows 153. On the side, 132. If I compare that with the other side, now painted panels are generally, on average, double the thickness. 151, 127. So those two are equal, and they're both significantly under 200. So I would say they are certainly on original paint, or had every chance of being on original paint. Bonnet 158. So I'm now going to do the doors. So right in the slap bang in the center of the door, 129, and the rear door, 129. If I compare that to the doors on the other side, slap bang in the middle of the door, 122, 132. So they are certainly close enough for me to say, I would say they are on original paint. Now we're looking at the 123, the rear quarter, and a separate section of the rear quarter, 139. Let's compare that to the other side, 119, 132. So they also match either side. I'll go onto the roof, 153. The boot lid, 164. Now, some parts it won't do the bumpers because the bumpers are not metal. So some parts are painted on the car, some are painted off the car, some are painted vertically, some are painted horizontally. So you do get slight variations. But if we were talking panels that have been painted, we would certainly have a disparity with, from one side to the other, and I would say, especially with Rolls-Royce finish, we'd be looking at double, if not more than double the thickness that we're looking at here. So all the indications are, to me on this car, that we are looking at original paint.